We've been down in Florida, event that Amsler Saw put on it. I've been looking forward to running one of these things. Put some pressure on it and it would come right through, so didn't have any problem doing the face notch cuts. Started the bore cut, and this thing you could hold up by the front handle, even with a 28-inch. It was a lightweight bar on there. Pick it up on the front handle and just balance perfect, and flipping it over, it just fits your hands very well. Started cutting back, and then you could really feel the power on this. The acceleration is really quick on this saw, and you set it down there, you can hear it just drops right down to a little loping idle.